Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to get auto clicker on Chromebook. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is search for Chrome Web Store on your browser, and then just click on the first link to come up, this one. Just tap on that. Once you're here, just type in auto clicker on the search box. Now just choose the one that has good and high reviews, just like this one. It has 4.1 stars. So let's tap on that. After tapping on that, just simply hit on Add to Chrome. Now tap on Add Extensions. Let's just wait for it to be downloaded. So after downloading that, you'll be redirected here. And that's it. You now have an auto clicker. You just need or have to go to the Chromebook and then use this extension since it's already added as an extensions. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!